Yeah, exciting. Fishing is so exciting, right? A lot of fun. You like to fishing too?
God damn it.
So quick live lang tayo guys kasi yung phone ko ipa ano na, pa wala na.
Yeah. 24 feet.
So night time, maybe we can catch more. We lost the nain na yung ano natin nakatakbo. Nakatakbo yung ano fish, yung nahuli ko. So what's the name again, honey? Or like
Walleye.
walleye?
You know what?
No.
You know what a walleye costs in the grocery store?
Huh? In the grocery?
Yeah.
Expensive?
You know what a walleye costs in the grocery store?
No, no tam. Yan guys. So the direction is very slow. Hi. Be careful. So far 8 pa rin yung nakuha natin. Hindi pa tayo nakaano. Actually na kanina na ano may sana kaso nakawala. Kinain lang yung paon natin. Kinain lang yung paon ko, guys. It's okay. Hi, one left. One left. One left, nice. That's good. You're the one only.
Just be some fish.
We got so many fish. Ayan, guys. I show you what fish we catch. Woo! Big fish. Yan, 8 fish. 8 fish. Yan. Yan, 8 na yung huli natin. Takpan mo natin. Baka mamaya makatalon pa. Makatalon pa yung 8 na fish natin. Ibalik ko yung telepono ko dito. Yan. So marami na tayong nahuli.